So, what am I doing here? I'm doing my favorite whammy bar trick. There's a couple. Maybe I can show you two in this video. It's not that hard, but you must master rhythm for the first one. Because what I do is I basically use it as if I was repeating the same note. Right? So if I got that note, instead of doing that, I'm going, right? So I'm using it as a note. There's a wang, 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 wang. So I'm basically hitting the bar. This is not very tightly screwed. Maybe I can go like that. So you want to have it here. But then I'm basically just hitting it. I'm not going like, I'm just going. So you're hitting it like this. Right? That's basically what's going on to produce another note. And my favorite way of doing that is to play triplets. So 1, 2, 3, 1, ba, ba. That's quarter note triplets, which is one of the, it's a polyrhythm, but that triplet is basically quite simple to explain, because what you do, that kind of, let me just play it again. Right? It's the sweetest polyrhythm and the most fundamental. What it really is that you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you got that beat, right? You go 1, 2, 3, 4, and in between those beats, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Those are triplets, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 16 note triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But if you play that with down and up strokes, so you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. If you learn that first, right? Let me just do it. It's pretty fast, this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you do that with down and up strokes, it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So every triplet starts with another stroke. You could say down, up, and then up, and then down, up, up, because you're trying to play over 2, something equal with, because it's down, up, that's 2, right? And then you're playing 3, which doesn't add up, so you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you need to practice that a lot. It works so well for anything when you play triplets. But what I do to play quarter note triplets then is just to play my downstrokes. So if I can go, right? If I can go, so I'm just going to play my downstrokes now, right? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's quarter note triplets. Every other 16 note triplets, if you play that, down, up, 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 down. This is your foot, by the way. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. Right? So practice that, and then you have the ultimate rhythm skill, right? Oopsie. Right? That's really nice. Also, it takes a little bit of practice, right? But what you can also do is that you can really exaggerate your bends drastically when you want to play a note. Like say, I'm in the key of E here, so I'm just going to play the note in the 20th fret, in the 10th fret on the B string, and I'm going to rake it, right? Mute the strings, bend it up, and then instead of just doing that, I'm just going to have my trem in my hand here, and then I'm going to go like this. I'm going to start with the trem pushed down, do the raking, right? So I go, right? So you go, right? So have fun with it, and this is kind of a, you know, so it becomes an insane bend, you could say, because it starts down here and then bends like 2 whole tones or whatever that will never bend the string, right? So if you go, let's say, let me just to bend it itself. That's it, right? But if I start like this, but I know when I do this that I can hit the right note in the end, right? I can, right? So. Right? Really a radical bend, right? So have fun with it, and I hope to see you in the next video, or some of these that pops up here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't go download the free course in the description below.